I want to tell you the story about how I made one of Australia's most untrusted professions, real estate agents, into a leading, trusted thought leader for the local community that they service. Working with this client, we created content that appealed and attracted their ideal clients. So for example, real estate agency, their ideal client is someone who wants to buy property, or it's someone who wants to sell property. So we created content around those two ideal clients. From there, we ensured our Facebook advertising was targeted only to the people who lived in the areas that they wanted to service. If we did this via the boost button, the only option to us is to advertise to everybody and anybody that had recently been in those selected areas. However, when going into Ads Manager, I have the option, and you do too, to select people who only live in the area. That way we avoid wasting our money on people who didn't live in the suburbs that we had selected. So by creating engaging content consistently and targeting it with paid advertising, created momentum for this business. And now the leads and inquiries simply flow into this business on a regular basis because they've positioned themselves as the leading trusted expert for people just living in this small community that they service. They're not interested in the rest of the country, just this little pocket of the world. If you're a local business, this strategy can work for you too. It's all about having the right tools and know-how to get started. Download my free ebook. It's all about the 5 mistakes local businesses make and how you can avoid them. Until next week, everyone.